In Detroit, we are just like any other city. We have the challenges of budget, resources. We do have our own unique characteristics, whether it's the actual layout of the roadways or our residents or the actual strategic geographic location of Detroit with proximity to Canada. We are in the process of actually building an evaluation tool from a mobility perspective, not just kind of looking at, oh, did we improve travel time within the corridor, but actually looking at, did we improve the quality of life of the non-motorized user? Did we improve the sustainability of this corridor, for example? Micromobility and microtransit solutions within there.
In Mobi, we're developing mobility insight to a proactive, next generation, fully operational traffic management and service.
I've been incredibly impressed by the solution that Mobi has created, Mobility Insight, for the traffic engineering and decision support market. Operating traffic management centers is a huge job that can have deep impact on the quality of life within a city or maybe even a region. Managers must develop the best responses to changing operating conditions. The decisions affect traffic, transportation, and the mobility of entire regions. Given this, they need more than the basics. They need Mobi TMAS. It delivers policy-driven and also technical operations support, improving decision-making for both technical people and for policymakers. If you like, it's a bridge between policymaking and operations. It's a dramatic improvement in situational awareness because of the ability to fuse data from multiple sources and be able to understand exactly what's going on, what's likely to happen next, and what to do about it.
One of the uniquenesses of Mobility Insight is deep and broad domain expertise in every aspect of traffic management. Together with artificial intelligence, this knowledge enables Mobility Insight to apply machine learning algorithms in order to generate the knowledge which is required for the actions, recommendations when they do the real-life daily management of the traffic.
It's a solid application of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Mobi has actually applied it already in Israel and Atlanta and have proven solutions that make full advantage of the full and powerful capabilities of AI. Because of the use of AI and ML, the Mobi system, TMAS, actually learns as it goes along. So you can put it in place and out of the box it will deliver significant benefits. But over time it just gets better and better because it's its ability to adapt and its ability to learn.
Uses the so-called context and action model. When the day starts, you have the routine traffic patterns. Then some event happens and it disrupts these routines. Now some actions need to be taken to restabilize the traffic. What Mobility Insight does, it first detects a certain new context is being developed. They would assess what's going to happen if they do nothing, and if there is a need for action, they will recommend to the traffic manager what actions to take, such as perhaps some detours guidance. And if, God forbid, if some traffic accident happens, where do the police officers or the ambulances come from or go to? And of course, all of this is not just in one location, because every event in a certain place impacts the entire traffic network. And the beauty of the system that it takes a very broad view of the traffic in a given territory and advises all those that are involved. They can use the knowledge that they generate in order to do long-term planning.
Intelligent Mobility Center offers a state-of-the-art multi-scale and multimodal simulation environment that closely imitates reality for designing and testing urban mobility scenarios at the city or regional scale. It considers land use, transportation, and communication at work, along with individual decisions at different level of resolution. We can evaluate network performance measures such as congestion, travel time, energy consumption, emission changes. Instead of implementing policy and examining the consequences after the implementation, we can try many scenarios and perform sensitivity analysis in the simulation environment.
They have a number of key performance indicators that have actually been developed in the course of work in Haifa and Tel Aviv, which are pretty advanced and maybe a little bit beyond the KPIs that are currently being used. It's also software as a service, which avoids costly and lengthy procurement for hardware and software. They've created special tools that allows them to create what they call a unified data set, which will take all the data that local agencies currently have from roadside sensors and other sources and blend it with pro vehicle data and location intelligence data.
Mobi product, TMAS, Traffic Management and Service, is already helping authorities in a systemic way to manage the road network. With a transition to the new mobility era, we will continue with a vision to develop a road network that intelligently and automatically manages its connected electric and autonomous vehicle efficiently and effectively, providing better decision making to achieve sustainability, resilience, equity, and seamless mobility. Mobi team, welcome everyone to ITS World Congress 2022 in LA. And we are happy to tell you about how our Mobi technology and our new business model enable to achieve the vision.